They said it was madness. They said no man in his right mind would defy the Senate, defy tradition, defy the very heart of Rome itself. To march an army across the Rubicon was not merely rebellion, it was treason. It was to gamble with my life, my name, and everything I had built. I remember standing at the river's edge. The night was heavy, the air cold, and even the stars above seemed to hold their breath. My generals whispered warnings. Some begged me to wait. Others urged me to surrender my command. I heard them all, and I heard the unspoken truth beneath their words. They were afraid. So was I. Do not think courage means the absence of fear. No, courage means to feel the weight of fear pressing down upon your chest, and still choosing to move. I looked at the waters of the Rubicon, dark and restless, and I knew this crossing was not about geography. It was not about rivers or borders. It was about destiny. The river before me was Rome's judgment. The river before me was the line between hesitation and history. For hours I wrestled with silence. My men watched me, searching my face for answers I did not yet have. One step forward, and there would be no turning back. My enemies would hunt me. My friends would betray me. Victory was not promised. Defeat was death. And yet, within that silence, I heard another voice. Not of caution, but of clarity. It whispered, "Greatness does not wait." So at last, I spoke the words that sealed my fate. Alea, iacta est, the die is cast. I spurred my horse into the current, and Rome itself trembled. My legions followed with thunderous resolve, their fear consumed by the certainty of action. And in that moment, hesitation died. What followed was war. Years of blood, betrayal, and sacrifice. But crossing that river proved something eternal. History belongs not to those who stand still, but to those who dare to move when the cost is highest. Now listen closely. My story is not about crowns or empires. It is about you. Each of us faces a Rubicon in our lives. A decision that once made cannot be undone. For you, it may not be the Senate or the fate of Rome. It may be the career you are afraid to start. The dream you delay because the timing feels wrong. The truth you swallow because the world may judge you. And yet, you already know. The longer you wait, the louder fear grows. You wait for the perfect time. But hear me, there is no perfect time. There is only now. Crossing the Rubicon is not about certainty. It is about commitment. About burning the bridge behind you so retreat is no longer an option. About telling yourself, I will move forward no matter the storm. So, when you stand at the river's edge, when hesitation claws at your soul, remember me. Remember the night I chose to act. Remember that courage is not the absence of fear, but the refusal to bow to it. Do not wait for permission. Do not wait for safety. Cross your Rubicon. Step forward and let the world change because you had the courage to move. Because, in the end, hesitation is the enemy. Action is the victory, and the die is always in your hands.